There we go. I got sound. Thank you guys. I had it on mute. My bad. What is up? Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. Thanks for letting me know. How's it going? No sound. Audio not there. No sound. About 10 of you came in. All right. Well, thank you guys. Hope y'all are doing well. I hope you caught the move. We were setting up for it last night. I was a little early in my entry. That's all right. We DCA into the position, guys. We fire small enough bullets that we can just work our way into the position. And oh man, it paid out. Paid out beautifully. Oh, am I too loud? Did I just mess you up? Sorry about that. All right. Well, let me get me off the screen. Let's get the chart on the screen. Want to just take a minute, show you what I'm looking at, and. Hey guys, last night, if you got stuck, remember, chill. Let's see if you can see it. The market always comes back. It always does. So just chill out, relax. Okay, just make sure you're not over margining yourself in the meantime. Okay. All right. Let's get me off the screen here. Let's go to the scene. There we go, and I'll get me on this scene. Let's see. Hold on one second. Let me deactivate. There we go, and we'll activate. There it is. There it is. Now you see me. Okay. Make sure the video's good. Good video, good audio. Hope y'all are doing all right. All right, let's check out. Hey, tell me how many of you hit the short? Anybody hit it at all? Yeah, we were a little early, but and I was looking for a little bit of a different wave shape. I was expecting it maybe to come down and then back up, but 700%. Rock on. Eloquent trades. Well done, sir. Well done. Yeah, let's see. What's mine sitting at right now? I didn't do 700%, but I did like 500%. So that's great. Let me see if I can find my position there. There it is. Yeah, 572% is what I got. So, and I'm not done. I'm hedged right now. I'm hedged for a correction, and then I'll show you what I'm seeing, guys. Okay. All right. Don't forget, not financial advice. Just showing you how I see the market, guys. You got to learn how to trade to hit these moves. Okay. Now, we were a little early last night. The wave got a little overextended. I didn't think it was going to quite go as high as it did. They just kind of kept taking out stops, but they can do that if they want to, and there's no Elliott wave trader going to be able to tell you exactly where it's going to stop. We can just look at wave structure and try to give a good guess, right? But anyway, we really had it was excellent move today in the Discord. We went short this morning, and this afternoon actually. I think I called this evening's live. I called the short for the second entry if you weren't in it. So. If you're not part of the Discord, love to have you in there. Would love to have you. So, great. Boom, it is. That's right. 417K XRP. What's up, Brandon? Yeah, the entire crypto market is setting up for a long. Okay, let's just get into that. All right, let's just get into what we're seeing. So, at least this is a potential setup. Okay, it's a potential setup. We're going to talk about the bearish count, but I think this is really setting up to play. Okay, now what we've been doing is I've been telling everybody, and I've been telling you guys to use the move that happened back in, I think it was January. Use that move as a fractal to kind of help you understand what this wave is going to do. Okay, looking for 5 waves down here, because to answer your question, Booty Joko. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There was 5 waves to start. We had a 3-wave move up, and then we have we're looking for 5 waves. So we're going to consolidate here for a little bit in a 4th wave eventually. Now, we don't have to consolidate in a 4th wave. We could do something a little trickier. This could keep coming down a little deeper. Okay, so be prepared for that. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay, but this is just all, guys. All of this is wave structure. I've been telling you ever since we hit this bottom, guys. I've been telling you 3 waves up, 3 waves up here, and it's going to look. I've been saying it over and over in every video. Go back and watch them. It's going to look something like this. It's going to be some kind of move like that, okay? And it's going to be big enough for you to be able to trade up and down. And I just basically said, get ready for the chop. It's going to chop you to death for the next couple of months, okay? But we've been tracking it, guys. If you need help tracking it, come to the Discord. It's worth $40 a month, really, because I do my best on YouTube, but I give my all in all in the Discord, okay? Love to have you in there. All right. With that said, let me remove my fibs and we'll look at the wave structure here cleanly. Let me just kind of get everything out of here. So you'll notice this is a nice little fractal here, okay? We had a three wave to the upside. It doesn't have to do everything perfectly exactly, but this just kind of gives you an idea of what to look for. Then we had a three wave move to the downside, okay? Then this was followed by a three wave move back to the upside. So this is going to finish a three wave move sometime tonight or tomorrow. And once that's done, we're going to start a big move back up to the upside, either 5 waves or 3 waves. It depends on how deep this wave comes, okay? If it comes down 90%, then we're going to be looking for 5 waves to the upside. 90% retrace of this from the bottom, okay? So if it retraces this bottom move here 90% back to it, which is about 27,200, then we're looking for 5 waves to the upside, and we're looking to make a flat right in here, okay? A, B, and C. Now, if it doesn't get that deep, if it stops and then reverses on us somewhere, before that, then we're probably going to be looking for a WXY like we were looking here, and we're going to be looking for 3 waves to the upside. So we'll be looking for a WXY, and that Y wave is going to be 3 waves. All right, that Y wave is going to be 3 waves, something like this. Okay, so this is the up move we're looking for. Okay, now what is that doing in the grand scheme of things? In my opinion, we are forming, and this is the best count in my opinion. And I didn't even see it until somebody in my group pointed it out as a possibility. His name is Artie. He's in our group. And he said, hey, what about a diagonal? I'm like, oh, that's it. And ever since he pointed out the diagonal, I've been stuck to that count. I can't get off of it. So I'm looking at this as an ABC, okay, A, B, and C. And we're in the 4th wave of an ending diagonal. We're going 3 waves to the upside, okay? And then looking for a dump down to, 20K or something like that. I don't know how deep it's going to come. It's going to come down in 3 waves. It's going to come down fast and furious. It's going to scare the mess out of everybody. Is it going to go to 26.6? It could. I mean, I imagine it could. But there are fibs. I'll show you the targets here. Just a minute. We'll pull the fibs and I'll show you what we're looking for. Okay. So yeah. So let's look at this now. So we're looking for 3 waves. Let's zoom in now, just a little bit here. And here's the ultimate shape we're looking at here, okay? So we got 3 waves to the upside, best I can tell, okay? Now what? We have 3 waves, A, B, looking for C to finish, okay? This started with 5 waves. Best I can tell, that's 5 waves, okay? Got a 3-wave pullback. I'm looking for 5 waves to finish. Okay, so we need 5 waves to finish. 5 waves. Okay, let's look at this. Let's pull the fibs beautifully. There it is. Right now we're hitting the 786 and we're bouncing. We're also hitting the bottom of this wave. Chances are we're going to bounce here just a little bit, maybe for a 4th wave. Consolidate into tomorrow morning through London, and then probably have a New York continuation to finish the move to the downside. It'll probably trend down the rest of the day, probably continuing on down, hitting our targets tomorrow is what I'm guessing. Okay? Femming Gangsta, yeah, go maybe so. It might see 26. You might hit it, but you just got to understand that it's probably gonna. We're looking for 5 waves. That's what we're looking for. So that's the key. So wait for the 4th wave consolidation. That's what you want to see. You want to see the 4th wave consolidation. Okay, it's going to consolidate in some kind of 4th wave, and then give you a 5th wave to the downside. Once you get the 4th wave in, you can count how many waves we get in the 5th wave, and you can count 5 waves down. Okay, so really we won't know how deep it's going to go until it really gets down there. But guys, we're not going to have much of a pullback. I'm not seeing any kind of pullback we get. It's not going to be much, more than likely. Looking for this bottom, guys. I'm not seeing we're going down to 20K. Everybody's going to feel like it, and they might even go test this bottom here and retest this and make an expanded flat. Okay, they might do it for Gangsta. I don't know how to say your name, man. Gangsta. We're gonna call you Gangsta, okay? Yeah, it might come down. It might break the low here, okay, and become an expanded flat, okay. But we're looking for 3 waves, okay. So I'm gonna target. I like the bottom of this area, just taking this liquidity out at 27.6. That's my primary target. 27.2. I like that area. Listen, even the 1618, 26.5 is fine. All of those areas, yeah, it might, you might be right there. It might panic sell down there for sure. So that's a good point. That's not a bad idea. So look for a retest of the bottom and maybe even a break of the low. All right, but then, guys, you're going to get, more than likely, we're going to get a fast and furious pump back to the upside in 5 waves to finish this as a flat. A, B, C. Now, you know it's not going to be that simple, guys. They're going to make it hard on you in some way. It's not going to be that simple, but looks like we're getting a flat, okay? No, we're not going to all-time highs. Oh, maybe after 20K, yeah, more than likely. Just depends on the bottom of that diagonal. We'll pop back out to the higher time frame before I go Parth, and I'll let you know. I'll talk about that. Everybody's got their opinions about where we're going. Okay, so yeah, we got somebody calling 25,294. We got somebody calling 26.6. That's not a bad. Those aren't bad ideas. So yeah, this is looking great. If you've been around the channel and you've been watching the videos long enough, you know that I've been calling this shape, guys. So, guys, give me some love, man, on YouTube. Make sure you're sharing my videos. And, guys, I'd love to see my subscribership zoom up. That would help my family. I really appreciate you sharing the videos. And maybe you have friends in groups, in crypto groups, that don't know Elliott Wave and want to get into it. And, you know, if you stick around long enough, you're going to find out there is something to this. It's not just you know, we're not just playing around here and drawing lines on a chart. I mean, this is did I hear somebody in my group somebody in the Discord posted that Carl the Moon an hour ago went all in on Bitcoin? Is that true? Can anybody corroborate that? Looking at eloquent trades, I've been using this fractal quite a bit here just to kind of get a sense for the wave. And one thing I noticed is that you'll notice that this thing came up here and it never came down to take out the liquidity here, okay? And then it went up. And I'm wondering, this came down and it took out the liquidity down here and then it went up, right? So I'm wondering if, since this wick did take out the liquidity, if you might be right that maybe the 1-to-1 extension 28.5 is a better target because we've already taken out the liquidity down below these waves. The other wave did not take out the liquidity, so I'm wondering maybe if we get a more shallow target. The other line of thinking is, well, the other wave took out the liquidity. Maybe this comes down and takes it out as well. And I've had both thoughts, and I don't know which. I don't know which. Gangsta, you know, I would just say, yeah, 26.6. Not a bad idea, but just don't miss it for sure. Yeah, Hus 22 is going to come later. We're going to have a pump up to probably about 35K, 36, and it's going to be fast and furious. I don't know how long they're going to take. They may shoot it up in a day or two. I don't know what their plan is and how fast they're going to take it up. But we're going to come back up to this trend line before we dump again. So this is going to get everybody shorting the market. So there's an argument to be made that we go down and retest the bottom, getting everybody short in the market. Everybody's looking at 22 and 20,000, guys. Everybody's looking at that. So they're not going to go straight there. They're going to come down. They're going to test it. They're going to test it and then shoot off of it. Okay? They're going to come back here and then they're going to come back and hit it again. Okay? They're going to take liquidity like that. Okay? So yeah, I've got targets anywhere from about 34 to 36 to even 38K is in a really extended target. Just depends on how far down we come and how extended they make this wave. If it's a ending diag, okay. So anyway, all right. Try not to over chat there. I know you're excited, Mr. Gangster, but just chill out. Yeah, I think it's not a bad idea. I agree. Now that I'm glad you brought it up. Might be a complete flush out flat, and then they go up fast. I mean, how much liquidity? And did anybody find out if Carl the Moon went all in? Chester Jones, I don't have any dates on those. Can you give me some dates? No, I haven't even looked at that. I believe everything's in the market, but it might be nice to know those dates. Okay, he didn't. It was spam. Okay, all right. Somebody posted that, and I was just like, really?
Red top, blue top.
Actually, big Papa Pump. No, because we can have a throw over. So let's talk about the macro. All right, is everybody cool here with what we're looking at? We're looking at targets down here. Anywhere between 28.5 and a complete flush of the market, breaking 26. Could even go below that, guys. It could even retest the trend line, okay? Now, I don't know that it's going to do that, but it could. It could retest the trend line, okay? So, this thing is going to be trending down to the downside over the next bit, okay? Working its way down. So just hold it, be patient, let it do its thing, and then look for a long. We're prepping for a long, and it's going to rip probably pretty fast up to 35 and create this flat here. That's the best thing. That's the best I've got for you. Thanks, first name, last name. Glad you noticed. All right. So okay, I've got conflicting Carl the Moon accounts. Did he go all in or what? What did he do? I mean, his long may end up turning okay if he can hold it long enough. Lammy, I'm not seeing that, buddy. I'm just seeing a zigzag to the downside, 535, and looking for a flat right in here. So, but good to see you, man. Good to see you. We're doing fine. This is going to be a psych out to the downside, and then we're going up. So we're pumping for a prep. We're prepping for a pump, whatever you want to say. All right, let's zoom out. Remind everybody again what we're looking at. And let me show you some macro stuff here because haven't spent a lot of time on the macro because I've been tracking this wave, and we've been tracking it like a champ. So looking for this to finish, ABC. Okay, and then we're going to have, basically, guys, again, look at this wave right here. This is going to kind of help you, all right? Going to kind of help you understand the three-wave nature of what we're getting down here. I put ABC on there, but it should be WXY. You get the idea. Okay. Now we're getting a flat more than likely down here. Okay. Don't know how low. We could come and retest this bottom. So we could come down deep. It could come down deep. I don't know how deep it's going to get. But then we go up. Okay. Now then what? What's going to happen after that? Well, then we're going to come down for the fifth wave. Now, if the fifth wave just comes down to the trend line, we could get down here to 22, 21. Okay, let's pull the fibs. I'm going to pull the fibs 3 different ways, and you guys can figure it out. Okay, which targets you like and why you like them. So let's pull it this way. Number 1, I've got targets here, down here, right at 22,886, guys. So right here at 22,000, anywhere from 22,800 to 21 to 20 even. Okay, so the 22 to 20K range, all right? So we could come down here for the fifth wave. Once this thing goes up and finishes, we retake this liquidity up here at 37, 36, 37,000, 35,000 in that range, okay? Then what? Well, we come down. We come down to 22, 20K range. Okay, let me pull the fibs a different way. I'm going to put it in log scale for you. And log changes the fibs. Okay, log puts the fibs at 21.8 and or so. So that's a possibility there. 21,840. Or if it could go as low, guys. It could go as low as, depends on the shape of this wave and how flat. So how flat this thing comes. Just depends on the shape. It depends on how long it takes, how much it comes out. We could get all the way down to 18,000, 17,000 or deeper, guys. It just really depends. How does this wave come down? How steep does it come down? I've got fib targets down here at 17,886, guys. I mean, it's crazy. I've got the 1618 on the regular chart down here at 10,500. I mean, this whole thing, this whole flat could come all, I mean, it could come all the way down here if it wants to. It would still be an ending diag, but what you'd have, well, I say so, the fifth wave can't be the shortest. Excuse me, the third wave can't be the shortest. So I imagine it would have to stop around 1718 if it gives us what we call a throw over, okay? This thing could pass the trend line and throw over somewhere around 1718K and then shoot up. But guys, I believe that this is a 3-wave move that's finishing, and then we're going to have the pump of a lifetime, guys. Midsummer, maybe after September, after Shemitah, and October, November, December, we get the pump of a lifetime. 100K, guys. I don't know how fast it's going to go, okay, but we're going to start trending towards 100K. That's what I think. Huss, I pulled it both on log and regular. This one's on regular, but I did change it to log just so you could see. And I already have the check mark made on log. So here's the log scale fib, 18.5, 21.8. You know, it just depends on, it really just depends on if we overthrow this bottom trend line or not. Okay? Wow. Giovanni Dominguez, thank you. Thanks for that. All right, guys. Well, that's what we're looking at. I mean, so there's your larger time frames, and then I've given you a smaller time frame outlook. Yeah, I think definitely considering. I'm seeing actually a pump happening in the SPX. I see on the charts a pump to all-time highs on the SPX, on the NASDAQ. I'm seeing pumps on the major markets potentially coming And there's going to be a reason why, okay? These markets are going to pump. There'll be a reason why. It'll be death to the dollar. Something's going to happen. It'll be maybe the government comes out with a digital dollar or whatever. In other words, digital currency gets inaugurated in some way. I don't know what the news is going to be, but there's going to be a news event between now and September, October timeframe, guys. That just, you know, it's gonna send the market flying. Okay, because we can see the wave structure here, guys, that this is looking like a finished three-wave move. So looking for this to finish, guys. I think it's a diag. We'll always have a healthy skepticism of our account. Want to make sure that, you know, if we're wrong, we're ready to be wrong. Okay, so we don't lose a bunch of money. Okay. Yeah, I can show you the SPX if you want to see it. Let me show you my SPX count. This is the S&P 500, guys, index. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing a potential one wave to the upside already. Okay. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what this wave is. This could be a wave 4 right here, but I'm seeing this as a 5-wave move, like an expanding diag or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. 3-wave pullback, and now I think we're in a wave 4. Okay, I think we're in a wave 4. So what's going to happen? Best I can tell, this is going to dump tomorrow and then pump for the 5th wave. And that's going to correlate with Bitcoin's pump, okay? And then it's going to end up dumping one more 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish that out somewhere down here, okay? And then we start going up for an all-time high. Zooming out, let's just look at that. So we're going to finish. We're going to finish down here on the fibs, okay? And then we're gonna go up probably to make an all-time high. And that'll be the last hurrah, guys, for the markets. More than likely. That'll be the last hurrah. Yeah, my count is just a simple zigzag here, Caleb. Just a 535. But, yeah, you might be right. That's my best count for now. Some kind of just simple zigzag. So, all right, guys, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to just encourage you, give you some ideas. I thought maybe some of y'all were freaking out. Don't forget to hit the likes, guys. Let me know that you love the content. Make sure you guys, if you could just do me a favor, I'm going to be making videos this week, just trying to help you out. Leave some comments for me and share the channel. My goal for the end of the year is 20,000 subscribers. I don't think I'm going to make it, but why not have a goal, right? So help me out. Thanks, Chester. Appreciate all your input. Gangsta and Eloquent Trades. Guys, y'all check out Eloquent Trades channel. He's another Elliott Wave trader. He's not quite as good as I am, but no, I'm just playing, man. I'm just playing. He's got lots of good ideas, so check out his channel. You got my friend Dragonfly Trading. She's good as well, a good Elliott Wave trader. I've got a little bit of what do you call it? Time in her education, so mentorship with her. She's a good friend. Check her channel out if you like the other Elliott Wave channels, and give these Elliott Wave channels some love, guys. Let's keep Elliott Wave channels showing the just show them the love, and let's start taking over the internet. All right, guys. Y'all, I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for sharing, and Chemo, what's up, man? I just saw you come in. What's up, dude? You just missed it. I just did an impromptu live. So I haven't checked out Green Star Trading. I think he's a UK guy. I'll have to I did look at his channel once. But yeah, I didn't. I haven't spent much time. I don't know the guy. So anyway, yeah. As far as I know, I'm not sure. Besides, guys, you tell me this. Besides, who is it? Tag on it. Trade Devils. I think I'm the largest Elliott channel. Yeah. Tell me if that's right. Is that close? Or is there somebody an Elliott? Is there an Elliott channel out there that's bigger than mine? I mean, I'm not that big. I only have 10,000 subscribers, but I love you guys. I'm glad you're here. So. Green Star, I don't think that guy's. I think I checked out his channel. I think he's only like 5,000 subs. But who said crypto savvy? Leopold, please, don't trust anything Elliott Wave he says. Okay. Okay, 12.8. All right, that's fine. I'm not in any competition. I was just curious. If you guys want to know something interesting about crypto savvy. I was his mentor at the beginning of his trading career, but he went a different direction, and I, his TA is not my TA, so oh, it's okay, Chester, no worries. Yeah, I do. I have a mentorship. It's in my Patreon. It's $350 a month. Yeah, you might be right there, gangsta, on that. I don't know what's going to cause that pump, but yeah, you might be right. Yeah, guys, if you want to be in the Discord, just go to the link, my Patreon link. I've got 3 tiers. I've got one for educational purposes and swing traders who just want daily updates and keep track of where price is going for swing trades or just their purchases. Then I've got for day traders, tier 2. If you want to know my setups and the trades that I'm taking, and I do live trading for an hour or so every morning or more in tier 2, and then tier 3 I have a one-on-one mentorship. So anyway, yeah. It's definitely that's $350 a month. So the tier 2 for my setups and live trading every day is $95. So yeah. It's too much work. Camel teabag is just too much work. I spend so much time in the Discord, I wouldn't be able to keep up. YouTube is my Telegram, right? Yeah, I think pretty much now the diagonal is pretty much what everybody's seeing. All the Elliott people are seeing. So we're looking at that diagonal, kind of, hey, and this correction's looking kind of almost done. It's probably going to go down for another wave, guys. I just would not be. The pullbacks are going to be small. Yeah, it might not be eloquent trades. We're ready for it not to be, but so far it's playing like a champ. I'm going to keep trading it. It's everything is three to me. Everything is 3 waves. Everything is 3 waves. But I did watch your video the other day. I did see your video the other day. QQQ. What's QQQ? Yeah, I saw your count. I have got that count as well as a possibility in my bag that this is the end of wave 3 and this is some kind of WXY. I know people are looking at that. that's possible, but I'm not a fan of the count until I have to embrace it. NASDAQ. Let me check out NASDAQ here. Which one? NASDAQ. Okay. I would say one more pop to the high is what I would say. I don't think we're finished. We got too much hidden bull down here. One more pop. Right there. Boom. Then we'll be done. Then we'll be done with 3. So I think it's going to pop. Pop again. And then 4. And then up for 5. Yeah, I'm seeing a major pop whenever this correction finishes, and all-time highs in all the major markets. Dow, S&P, too much. There's just too much hidden bull down here. Too much hidden bull. Now they could take it out. They could take it out, but I don't think they are. Let me look at it. Let me look at it on the 8-hour. See what we got. Yeah, it looks like. What is that? What is that shape? See, this looks like a diagonal to me right here. This is a diag. It's a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leading diagonal. Then we got a flat. And now I'm looking at, this is wave 4 of the C wave. That's what I think. That's my primary count, at least, right now. That we're just zigzagging. A, B, C. Looking at, I don't know, 250 on this chart. Yeah, this absolutely could be a W wave or part of a flat where we get 3 waves back to the upside, break the high and come down for yeah. I tell you what I'll do for you guys. If you how many of you guys would like a video of what my Discord is like? Would y'all like to see just a tour of the Discord? Not now, but would that be a good? Would that be a good video that y'all like to see? Let me know. Yeah, maybe I'll do that in the future. And I know we've had several people join. Guys, I'll tell you this. If some of y'all are thinking about joining the Discord, listen, join with the complete confidence that if you want your money back after a week because you hate it, just give it a week. And if you hate it and it's not what you thought and it's not for you, I will return your money. You cannot lose. So if you guys would like that, just come on in. Just join Patreon. We'll get you in there tonight. And after a week, if you're not happy, just let me know. I'll refund your money. No worries. No questions asked. No problem. It's still being built, right, Chemo? But it's a nice little place. It's a nice little place. Yeah, I used to do Telegram, and we moved over to Discord because I have so much packed into Discord. It's very organized, and I like it the way it is. So I'm sorry to say no to you there, Mr. Gangsta, but best wishes. We can see each other on YouTube. Yeah, AAABBB. Just here's my email. There you go. There's my email. So shoot me an email. We'll get you in. Mr. Gangsta again. I hear you, Jeff. All right, what is this? Let's check it. Let's check Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin doing? All right, we got a nice corrective wave. Beautiful. What is that? Is that a leading diag? What is that? Let's check it out here. Looks like a 535 to me, guys. With a leading diag. Coming up to the 1-to-1 extension. Maybe a little higher. Maybe one more hit to the high. Shoot, I don't know. It could go up a little higher than that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. Let's call it a night. Enjoyed being with you. It was fun to hang out with you. Just wanted to enjoy it and just gloat a little bit and and just get you ready for the next move. Y'all have a great night. Thanks for stopping by. Share the channel if you help me out. If you like it, and if you want to come in, if you just want to help me, you don't want to be part of the Discord, but you want to help the channel out. It really helps for you guys to like, subscribe, and share love in the comments every video, and post the videos in your crypto groups, guys. What, the crypto bill was leaked? Oh, really? Ah, interesting. Hey, check out Eloquent Trades. I already plugged your channel, buddy. So check out his channel and check out the other Elliott guys. Y'all have a great night. Just don't forget to keep checking mine out, okay? Just don't leave me. Don't leave me. I need you. The more you guys, participate, the more I can give myself full time to this. So just keep on coming. All right, guys, check it out. We'll see you.